Hi, I'm Brian, Senior SEO Specialist at Autoshop Solutions.
And I'm Nick, PPC Manager at Autoshop Solutions. We're an automotive digital marketing agency specializing in websites and internet marketing solutions. Today we're going to talk about what happens after your website goes live.
Like most things in SEO, the simple answer is, well, it depends. Once your website is live, what happens from there depends on a variety of factors, such as how quickly Google discovers, crawls, and indexes your website, the level of competition in the area, the demand for your types of services. We could go on naming more, and because of these factors, there's no one-size-fits-all pathway to success since every situation is different.
Similarly with PPC, you can't buy your way to the top immediately. Let's say a new pizza place opened near your shop. If you've never been there, you wouldn't say that place is awesome. But if you've heard 15 friends say it's amazing, you might. Bottom line is, no matter how much you pay Google, they won't recommend your place of business immediately because they don't know how people feel about it. This is for the same reasons Brian mentioned earlier. Usually this is a learning period from Google and it lasts 6 to 8 weeks.
Likewise for SEO, there's no magic way to get to the top. If you're the only shop in a small town, you will likely find your website near the top of searches quickly. However, if you're in a major metropolitan area on the same street with a dozen shops, it will likely take several months or even years to potentially be in the first page of search results. The key takeaway is to send the right signals to Google so you rank higher while always putting possible customers' needs first.
All this to say, no PPC or SEO campaign will start on Monday and be driving tons of leads on Tuesday. Search engines have to take time to learn your site, learn your local customers and keywords before they will push your ad higher in the search results. With patience, you can turn your prospective customers on the search engines into actual cars in your bays. Be prepared and you will be rewarded.
That's it for today. Thanks for watching. For more Autoshop Academy videos, please visit our website or subscribe to our YouTube channel.
In the comments below, let us know what you think of this video or any ideas for video topics you might like to see next.